So finally we came to know about PROM, which is PROM and array is fixed or array is programmable, right? This is PROM. But next is PAL. PAL refers to programmable array logic. So how does this programmable array logic works? So in case of programmable array logic, AND array is programmable or array is fixed. So if you want to make any changes with respect to in case of PL, if you want to make any changes, that has to be done with respect to AND array, and OR array is fixed here. Next we are going to deal with PAL, right? So in case of PAL, OR array is fixed, AND array is programmable. In case of PROM, AND array was fixed, OR array was programmable. Based on the question given, so we were making changes with respect to OR array, so we called it as a programmable. So here, based on the question, we are going to make a changes with respect to AND array, and OR array will be fixed. Okay, so that is PAL. Look at this. This is programmable PAL. So look at this. We have 4 inputs, 4 outputs. A, B, C, D are the inputs, and Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3 are the inputs. So this is OR array. This is AND array. Okay. This OR array is fixed. So as we have 4 inputs, so 2 to the as we have 4 inputs, obviously 2 to the power of 4 is 16. So we will be having 16 AND gates. So like this. So A bar, this is A line, this is A bar line, this is B line, this is B bar line, this is C line, this is C bar line, this is D, this is D bar line. So as this AND array is programmable, so everything is marked with don't case. So don't case, when you find X mark like don't case, that is programmable. You need to make changes with respect to this area. Okay. So when you find bullets like dots, so this is fixed. So look at this area is bullets. So it is fixed OR array. The OR array is fixed with respect to PAL. PAL refers to programmable array logic. In case of programmable array logic, AND array is programmable, OR array is fixed. So similarly, what we did in case of here, AND array was fixed, OR array was programmable. So OR array was represented X mark. So we made a changes only with respect to OR array. Whatever it comes in with respect to AND array, so was fixed, so they are not written. We are not supposed to make any changes. We don't have the rights to make any changes, or we don't have the options to make any changes with respect to AND array. AND array refers to this area. This is fixed. We can't make any changes. Okay. Based on the question, we can just modify these things. So we call it programmable OR array. So we made a changes programmable OR array based on the Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3 they are given here. Okay. So this is opposite to PROM. If you want to make any changes, that has to be made a changes with respect to AND array, this area, and OR array will be fixed. So as we have 4 inputs, 16 AND gates, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 0 to 15 AND gates are there. So each horizontal line refers to AND array. Okay. This is each vertical line refers to OR array. This vertical line refers to Y2 or Y3 OR array. This second vertical line refers to Y2 OR array. So third refers to Y1 OR array, and last refers to Y0 OR array. So first 4 AND will be connected to Y3, second 4 will be connected to Y2, and third 4 AND gates will be connected to Y1, fourth AND gates, fourth 4 AND gates will be connected to Y0. So this will be fixed. This area is fixed. So based on the questions, you are not supposed to make any changes with respect to the fixed OR array. Okay, you are supposed to make only changes with respect to the AND array. So how will be the question with respect to programmable array logic now? So they will give an expression like this. y3 is equal to a Boolean expression, y2 is equal to a Boolean expression, y1 is equal to a Boolean expression, y0 is equal to a Boolean expression. Okay, so the questions will be like this: y3, y2, y1, y0. So keeping this question, you need to make the changes only with respect to the AND array. Okay, let me go here. So what is y3 here? So let me take y0 first. y0 is equal to a, b, c, d. Okay, so look at here. This R array is fixed as it is. What I have written as it is, this is fixed. I am not making any changes with respect to R array. So y0 is here. So y0 is equal to a, b, c, d. So look at here. So first line refers to a, second line refers to a bar, third line refers to b, fourth line refers to b bar, fifth line refers to c, sixth line c bar, seventh line d, eighth line refers to d bar. So y0 is here. y0, the power of y0 is in these 4 lines. y1 in these 4 lines, y2 in these 4 lines, y3 in these 4 lines. So if you want to alert this expression with respect to y0, means that has to be done in these 4 lines. If you want to make changes with respect to y1, this expression is you are supposed to make with this, y2 this with this, y3 with this. So this means not here, parallelly this side. So y0 is nothing but a, b, c, d, right? So I have marked a, b, c, d. This line goes to a. So this line goes to b. This line goes to c. And this line goes to d. So I marked here. So as y0 is only having a, b, c, d, so remaining 3 lines are empty. Okay, so next I am going with y1, a bar, b, c bar. So look at this. So mark a bar, b, c bar, a bar, b, c, and a, b bar, c, and a, b, c bar here. These 4 lines now. So this is a bar, b, this is c bar. A bar, b, c bar is there, no? So here they have marked a bar, b, c bar. So next, this is a bar, b, and c. A bar, b, and c. Here it is. A bar, b, and c is marked in the second. Third, a, b bar, c. A, b bar, c. Okay. Fourth, this is a, b, c bar. Yes. So these 4, we have 4 sums like products 1, 2, 3, 4. These products, 4 products are referred in these 4 lines. These 4 lines refers to y1. So done. Similarly, y2 is having 1, 2, 3. We have 1, 2, 3. So here it is 1, 2, 3. What is y2? A bar, b, c, d bar, right? So look at here. A bar, b, c, d bar. So we have only 3 products here in case of y2. So I have marked only 3. This one, so this is left, this is empty. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. This 1, this 2, this 3 refers to y2. And we have 4 product terms with respect to y3. So 4 product terms. First line, second line, third line, fourth line are with respect to y1. This second y2, third y3, and fourth y4. So we made changes only with respect to what? AND array. R array is fixed. We didn't make any changes with respect to R array. Right. So this is PAL, programmable array logic. Okay. So then we have the last one is this is AND, this is OR. Last one is PAL, programmable logic array. Here AND array is programmable, OR array is also programmable. We are supposed to make changes with respect to AND array and OR array with respect to PLA. So let me guess again. PROM refers to AND array is fixed, OR array was programmable, that is PROM. PL, programmable array logic, AND array was programmable, OR array was fixed. Okay, so then when it comes to PLA, both AND array and OR array both will programmable. Nothing is fixed here. We are supposed to make the changes with respect to AND array as well as OR array. So that is what they are done here. So look at here. PROM, fixed AND array, fusible OR array. Fusible is something like X mark, don't care. We can make changes. That is what we call as fusible. And PAL, fixed AND array. Fusible AND array. We are supposed to make the changes with respect to AND array, right? So that is fusible. OR array is fixed. That is PAL. And PLA, what is it? Fusible AND array and fusible array. We are supposed to make the changes with respect to AND array as well as OR array, both the arrays. That is PLA. PLA refers to programmable logic arrays. Okay, so this is a diagram here. So both AND array or array are having X marks. So we have 3 inputs, we have 3 outputs. So both having X marks. So both are programmable. So if they, based on the question, we are supposed to make the changes with respect to AND array as well as OR array. This is PLA, programmable logic array. Okay, so let me deal with the problems based on these 3 concepts now.